Battement Relevé Lent is a battement raised slowly. Usually we just refer to it as Relevé Lent. Our goal is to move our leg as slow as possible to a 45-degree angle, a 90-degree angle, or higher than 90. My example is again in first, in which case we go through to our tendu, lift, and lower through the tendu to close. Now when my dancers are practicing this, I give various counts that I ask for so we can practice how to go slow. So when we're going to the 45-degree angle, what I'll sometimes have us do is tendu 1, 2, and then we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, lower 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Another option that I'll do takes us up to 90, in which case I'll have us double that amount of time and we'll do 16 counts to rise, in which case we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4 to the tendu, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 should take us to 45. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 would be our 16, and lower 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 again at the 45. Lower 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then tendu close 1, 2, 3, 4. We will do this to the front, the side, the back, the side, and again, the goal is to create a slow, continuous movement. Relevé Lent is all about control and making it look like our leg can just float with ease. I will typically reserve this for dancers who have been dancing for a little bit longer. Reason being is we don't want to be struggling to hold our leg up in an improper position, because then we're just training the muscles wrong in those regards. And so I'll wait a little bit until I see that our alignment is under better control before I introduce this movement, just to make sure that we are able to go through each of those positions nicely and build up the strength in a proper way. This is traditionally done then in 5th position. Once we've learned how to do it in first, we'll upgrade to 5th and do the same movement. And again, sometimes I'll make the moves slower, in which case we can go 16 counts to a 45-degree and lower back down. And I'll change it up. Sometimes we'll do multiple sets to the front and to the side and to the back and to the side. Sometimes we'll only do one if we're doing it for a really long period of time. They work our body just in slightly different ways. Be sure to check back tomorrow when I teach you how to do an Adage combination at the bar. I will see you then.